Hello students, good morning. Now this is your social study class. Okay, so in continuation of the chapter 5 clothes, we will learn from question 4. Question 1, 2, 3 last day I have given you with answers. The questions were: who used to wear leaves and skins of animals to protect himself? This one. And the second one, write one of our basic needs. And number 3 is which factor decides what type of clothes we should wear. Okay. The question 3 was which factor decides what type of clothes we should wear. These 3 questions last day I have given. Today I will give you 3 more questions. Okay, so please give your attention here. Question number 4. Why do we wear cotton clothes in summer? The question is, why do we wear cotton clothes in summer? Answer: we wear cotton clothes in summer because these are light and comfortable. Again, repeat it. Why do we wear cotton clothes in summer? Answer: we wear cotton clothes in summer because these are light and comfortable. Okay. Before this I have given you one answer of this questions. Okay. If you have learned that, you can. This is also given. Anyone you can learn. Almost same. Answers are almost same. Those who have written these answers in their copy, no need to repeat it. Just you memorize this and learn the spellings also. Okay. And those who have not completed, they will write. They will write in the class copy. Okay. So question 4 we have completed. Question number 5. Why do we wear woolen clothes in winter? Okay, I am repeating. The question is, why do we wear woolen clothes in winter? Answer: we wear woolen clothes in winter because woolen clothes keeps us warm. Very simple in one sentence. The answer is in one sentence. So repeat the answer. We wear woolen clothes in winter because woolen clothes keep us warm. Okay. Now question number 6. What type of cloth we should wear to look smart? What type of cloth we should wear to look smart? We all want to look smart. So we should wear clean and well ironed clothes to look smart. The answer will be, we should wear clean and well ironed clothes to look smart. What is the question? What type of cloth we should wear to look smart? The answer is, we should wear clean and well ironed clothes to look smart. Okay. So students, from this chapter I have given 6 extra questions, and the question that is given in the book is, why do we wear clothes? What clothes do we wear in the winter season? In which season do people wear cotton clothes? Name 4 categories of the people who wear uniforms. These 4 answers I have already given. That is, I think, in July, the month of July, I think, maybe. And today I have given you extra 6 questions. Within that, why do we wear cotton clothes in summer? Why do we wear woolen clothes in winter? This also I have given. The answer of this 2 questions, extra question, also I have given. Okay. So students, those who have not completed this, they will complete this, because maybe it will come in your exam. Maybe I ask in your exam. So you have to prepare yourself. What? You have to prepare yourself for exam, for half-yearly exam. Okay. So the class ends here. Memorize the question answers, okay, for better learning. And this is what for today. Class ends here. Good day.